Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new in my channel, I'd like to welcome you guys. Welcome to Glam by G76, and I hope you subscribe please. So in today's video guys, I am doing an unboxing and product review, and I have teamed up with a company called Jordwatch. Jord is spelled as J-O-R-D, but it's pronounced as Jord. Jord is a Swedish word which means earth, land, and soil. So I have been following them for a while on Instagram. They manufacture watches made of wood. So they use only 100% natural wood, and there's different kinds of wood that you can see in their website. I am so intrigued with this watch. So when I found them in Instagram, I have like, oh my god, the photos in their Instagram feed are so cool and very, very fashionable. So I am really happy that they're sending me one pair of watch for me to review in front of you guys. I have the box here and I want to do an unboxing, and I want to show you guys my first impression, my initial reaction upon seeing the watch. Before I open the box, I'd like to tell you something about Jordwatch. So Jord, they use only 100% natural wood, and they offer free international shipping worldwide, and they offer returns and exchange within 15 days of delivery. And they have a 1-year warranty. If there's a manufacturer's defect, you can return it to them as long as it is within the 1 year. And they use dome sapphire glass or dome sapphire crystal in their watches. So sapphire scores a 9 in most hardness scale, and diamond scores a 10. So they're very close to the diamond. And their price range from $139 US up to $429 US. And also they're hosting a giveaway to all of my subscribers. So all you have to do is to click on the link that I'll put in my description down below. Click on the link, enter your first name and your email address, and the winner, Jord will choose one winner, will get a $100 gift voucher that you can use in their website. But all of those who will enter will automatically get 10% discount in their website. Jord will get in touch with you directly if you win the giveaway, and I will put all the information about the giveaway in my description down below. And now I'm really excited to open the box. So I have the box and I will open it, and let's do the unboxing guys. So I have opened the box finally. Okay, so I'd like to show you the box that they used. Here you go. Oh, I'm so excited guys. So I have the wood, and this is the inside of the box. So there is a black cloth. I think this is to wipe or to clean your watch. I have a Jord preserve finishing oil. So I'm gonna put down the box. This is what's inside the box. And now let's go to the real deal. So this is the case of the watch. See how nice it is? So first, before I open this, I know you're excited. I'm very excited too. They offer customized sizing, so that's what I did in their website. There's some measuring tape kinda in their website, so I used that. I cut it. I measured my wrist and I gave them the size of my wrist. So I don't know, I'm excited. I'm actually like having chills right now. If I gave them the right size, if it will fit my wrist. So the model that I chose in their website is Cassia, and I picked Ebony and Sable. I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the cover. So it has like magnets. I don't know if you can see. So I took out the top. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is the watch. I'm gonna take a look at it first before I show you guys. Oh my gosh. So This is the watch. It comes with like a cushion. So that's where the watch is. And inside the box, I'm gonna put down the watch first. We'll review this one later on. So what's inside the box? I got card, show your wood watch in their Instagram. I have the extra links, and also I have the information about the Cassia that I ordered, cloth. So that's all. And I noticed they have another case here at the bottom. This is, I think, where you put all the accessories or the extra link. Now, this is the watch. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So I picked the black one. It doesn't look like wood, to be honest. It's really elegant. Their packaging, and they have metal links in the middle, and it is so nice. And they have a protector or a sheet protector on the sapphire, a dome sapphire glass, so to prevent like your watch from scratches. So I hope I got the right size. I'm going to take out this tag, and I'm gonna wear it in front of you guys. So I'm gonna move like this to show you. I hope I gave them the right size. So you'll hear a tick when you close it and lock it. It's a little loose, guys. I think I gave them the wrong size. My suggestion, guys, don't put allowance when you measure your wrist. Just whatever sizing you got, that's what you have to order. Because mine, I added a tiny bit of centimeters in the size, so it's a little loose, but so I have to put it over in this side. But let me tell you guys, this is really, really cool. It's so pretty. I want to take out the sticker, and oh my god, this is so gorgeous. It looks so nice, guys. You guys, look at that. So let me show you again the watch that I got from Jord. It is the Cassia, and the model that I got is Ebony and Sable. It is the first full Roman numeral dial. It's splash proof but should not be submerged in water. It is made of metal and wood link band. And I had a custom band size. I did 15 centimeters, and it has a dome sapphire crystal glass. The case width is 40 millimeter, and the case thickness is 10 millimeter, and the band thickness is 13.8 millimeter, and the band length is 203 millimeter. I'm really happy with the watch that I got, and as I've told you earlier, it doesn't even look like wood in person. It's perfect for formal outfit, for work. You can also dress it down. It can also be used during when you're in casual attire. So it's very versatile. So I'm very impressed with their packaging. It's made of like solid wood as well. The lid has a magnet, just like it locks down when you close it. And also they have like a case at the bottom where probably you can put the extra links, and the cushion where you can put your watch when you don't use it. It looks really elegant, nice, very chic. And the only thing that I regret is when I gave them my size, I added additional centimeters in the size, in the band size. So please, when you try to order on their website, make sure you give them exactly, and make sure you tighten the strap to get your actual measurement, and don't put any allowance. It looks phenomenal. It looks gorgeous, and I really recommend you guys check out their website. And yeah, I love this watch, and I think I will be using this more often now. And thank you so much, Jord Watch, for sending me this wonderful, elegant watch. And also thank you, Jord, for hosting a giveaway to all of my subscribers. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will join the giveaway that Jord is hosting. Please don't forget to check the description box below. And that's about it. Thank you so much guys again for watching. And I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!